Your toddler has hit 2 and you are feeling the pressure to toilet train. My name's Ruth, I'm a health visitor in England. Let's discuss why I don't think once they reach the age of 2 we have to be go for toilet training. First things first, I have a free guide you can download. It's called Stress-Free Toilet Training, and I've also got a YouTube video, 15 minutes worth, talking about how to toilet train, signs of toilet training, and any questions that people tend to ask around toilet training. Let's get into it. I, for one, as a mother, my eldest hit 2 and I thought, oh my God, I need to be toilet training her. And I even had the knowledge in my head that that's not what we have to be doing. Why have we created this age of 2 years old and they should be toilet trained? Did you know they can show signs between 1.5 to 3.5? And she was closer to the 3.5. Now, that doesn't mean we don't do anything to do toilet training. We can still be exposing them and we can still kind of be, teetering around the topic. Reading books about toilet training, watching appropriate videos on toilet training, like the Princess Polly used the potty, I think is one of the ones that we used. Having a potty in the bathroom and having a potty in the lounge, familiarising them with it, sitting on it whilst watching telly, using it as a seat, so it's not this kind of unusual object that we suddenly introduce and suddenly, oh, you've not got no nappy on and suddenly you need to be doing a wee on it. Introducing a bag of toys that when you're sat on the potty, this is what we play with, and that's going to help in the future when it comes to doing a poo, that you have a bag of toys, encourages them to sit there for a little bit longer if you know there's a poo that needs to come out. But we don't need to be doing that just yet in terms of taking the nappy off and sitting them on the potty. Lots of nappy free time. Just, if they have an accident, that's going to happen. Have an accident, whoops-a-daisy, let's clean it up. We don't want any punishing, we don't want any shouting, we don't want any shaming, because that can actually end up causing furthermore a regression from toilet training. I believe, my personal opinion, is that toilet training is similar to other milestones, like gross motor milestones, walking, crawling, and standing, rolling. We're not in control of encouraging them to do that. Yes, we can give them the opportunity to do it, which is what I'm encouraging you to do with having the potty out and about, but something clicks in the brain when they're developmentally ready. They rolled without you making them roll. They started walking without you making them start to walk. And I think it's the same with toilet training. Now, what we can do is they hit the age of 2 and that's it, no nappies, I'm gonna stay indoors for 2 weeks and push. What's probably gonna happen there is they're gonna continue having accidents, they're gonna continue having these kind of regressions to and from toilet training until they reach that point that they were going to be ready to toilet train anyway, say 2.5, maybe even 3. So my advice to you would be to start familiarising them with toilet training and the potty without the pressure of toilet training. They might surprise you and suddenly take to it, but equally it might take the next 6 months of just sitting on the potty, going nappy free, just having a little bit of exposure to it, reading a book about it. And don't forget, every single day they get older is a day that their brain is developing more and more. It's a day closer to them learning a new skill, understanding a new skill. So you've got this. Ignore the background noise of society. You know your child best, and if you don't think it's time to start toilet training yet, then you do you.